Jennifer Tomazik now live on the breaking news desk, and Jen has been following a couple of coronavirus stories this morning.
Yeah, we want to start with news though about Colfax Elementary, which is closed for today. Jen?
Yeah, Gordon and Catherine. So within the last hour, we got a message from Pittsburgh Public Schools telling us that a student at Pittsburgh Colfax might have been exposed to the coronavirus from a relative outside of school. So because of that, the district is closing Colfax today to disinfect it. So if your student goes there, they will not be going to class today. I did ask Pittsburgh Public if they expect to close other schools. They said not right now. Also, the futures and the overseas markets are reacting to an announcement from President Trump late last night. In that, he suspended travel from Europe for 30 days starting Friday for anyone who's not an American. He also discussed some economic relief ideas. Unfortunately, as you're taking a live look at the futures board, it is all in the red. In fact, we are inching closer to the Dow opening up 1,200 points lower this morning. So now within the last hour, I do also want to mention this too. An NBC reporter tweeted that the peak of the epidemic in China is over and that most of the recent cases have just been in Wuhan. Back to you guys.
All right, thanks, Jen. Here is where we stand as far as the numbers of coronavirus cases at this point this morning. Nationally, there are just over 1,300 cases and 38 deaths. In Pennsylvania, there are 16 cases and no deaths. All of those cases, by the way, here in the state are in the eastern part of Pennsylvania. And to put those numbers in perspective, 13 million people live in Pennsylvania and 327 million live in the U.S.
Also want to get you up to speed on the impact for local colleges and universities. Pitt, Duquesne, CMU, Chatham, and Robert Morris canceling in-person classes for the time being. Until further notice, students will do all of their assignments online. Now, looking ahead to the summer semester. Yesterday, Pitt also made the call to cancel all of their summer study abroad programs. We actually spoke with Pitt students last month who were all set and really excited to travel to Tokyo in July for a course highlighting the Olympics. And one senior told me they even delayed their graduation to take this class. Listen.
I had to phone my family saying, I have to delay my graduation. I told them about the program and their response was, you have to do it.
They have so many things to sort through. They'll be talking with their academic advisors over the next few weeks, I'm sure. Now, Pitt also told all students and staff yesterday that more information will be available in the coming days.
Channel 11 is also keeping tabs on what city leaders are doing to keep people prepared and prevent as many cases as possible. We told you yesterday the city canceled the popular St. Patrick's Day parade, but that is not the only change.
No, certainly not. Channel 11's Liz Kilmer is live on the North Shore. And Liz, a big part of the city's plan is to really cut down on crowds.
Yeah, that's right, guys. And so we want to emphasize there still are no confirmed cases here in Pittsburgh, but city leaders say it will hit our area, and so they're taking a number of serious measures to prevent the spread here. Among those measures, a ban on all international air travel for city employees and city government meetings of more than 50 people. New training for first responders, with officials considering whether to possibly send less people out on emergency calls. Also, we broke the news yesterday that the St. Patrick's Day parade has been canceled, and the city has sent letters to local restaurants, bars, and clubs with safety guidelines, and officials say they will be enforcing occupancy laws. Officials also urge anyone who is sick to stay in.
Every single health expert has warned cities that they have to take action immediately. So is it going to be a downturn for the economy of our local restaurants, bars, hotels, travel agents? Yes. And it's going to be a downturn in the economy of the world.
As for Pittsburgh Public Schools, well, of course, we just brought you that breaking update about Pittsburgh Colfax closed today for cleaning because a student may have been exposed. Now, school officials also tell us that a district employee has self-quarantined out of extreme caution after a family member may have potentially been exposed as well out of state. Now, school leaders and, of course, city leaders, they are working very closely. They are constantly communicating with health officials here to determine what steps they might need to take next. For now, I'm live in Pittsburgh. Liz Kilmer, Channel 11 News.